This is a program concerning traditions related to the sustainable management of natural resources. The Directorate of Modern Cultural Heritage of the Greek Ministry of Culture and Sports will address an open call to institutions, organizations and other cultural bodies who deal with intangible cultural heritage in order to create projects that highlight such traditions. The main idea is all these selected bodies that have submitted proposals will focus on finding, promoting and highlighting living traditions and practices related to the use of energy from the sun, wind, water, soil and mineral resources, forests, flora and fauna, as well as the landscape management practices and policies, for example, collective choices, historical transformations and so on. Many of these practices we know that exist for many and in some cases for thousands of years in rural areas. The selected projects will be implemented by the organizations with the support and involvement of local communities in all its phases: research, promotion, presentation, dissemination. Immigrants or refugees also can participate, sharing their knowledge and experience. The main practice for raising awareness will be heritage interpretation by interpretive guided tours. The objectives of the selected projects will be to raise awareness for traditionally sustainable use of resources and their long history, from which the local community and nowadays generations can benefit in many ways, to urge local communities and support local identities by bringing back memories and strengthen values, to help young people to evaluate differently the environment, as well as to promote future collaboration and create networks among bodies with similar purposes. The target groups are the local communities that are connected with the various elements of intangible cultural heritage, but also the Greek society as a whole, as the program mainly aims at raising awareness of the general population. In addition, a special interest group will be young people who are excited to discover new ways of communicating with nature. The results, research, interpretive walks, maps, highlights of the workshops, etc., can be posted on the website of the involved bodies, as well as the websites of the Directorate of Modern Cultural Heritage of the Ministry of Culture, Sports and Social Media. The Ministry of Culture and Sports, in collaboration with the involved organizations, will create a video from the whole material, which will highlight the elements of cultural heritage associated with sustainability as parts of the identity of local communities and Greek society in general, in order to raise awareness for sustainable traditions and their value. Thank you.